I was having a conversation with my daughter who is 15 and has started her entrepreneurial journey. She does word searches. She's also a through Amazon KDP. She's also a self-published author. And so we're at a point where she has published several word searches, published a book, and she wants more sales. She's a teenager. She doesn't want to get a job and she wants more sales. So as a fourth generation entrepreneur myself and having had to learn this the hard way, I told her today, or I've been telling her honestly, like, hey, you're going to have to market your business. You're going to have to get on YouTube and figure out, how do I market books on Amazon, word search puzzles, novels? How do I market? You're not the first person to have done this. You won't be the last. People are making money on the platform every day. So you have to figure out, how are you going to get this done? And while it is simple, it's not easy. And that's what I told her. So she found out that the primary way is to get real reviews on your products and then run ads. What she wants to do is just run ads. I said, you have to do what works on the platform. And that is a lesson for all of us as it pertains to marketing our businesses. It is one of the things I learned later as an entrepreneur. It has allowed me to consistently generate income and not continuously struggle or feel like, oh, this isn't meant to be, or, oh, I'm doing something wrong. A lot of times you need to learn how to market, and not just market. I mean, it depends on your industry. It depends on your business, but not just marketing, also taking the sales calls, following up, being consistent, having a CRM, or at least I started with a Google Sheet that I would keep track of. So there are aspects of business and success that are simple, and we try to overcomplicate them. We try to work on our website and our business cards and, getting on social media and networking. But how are those things affecting your bottom line? Like, are you making more money? My daughter wants to make more money, so I had to give her the hard truth as an entrepreneur. Yes, you can go light money on fire by running ads, but if you don't understand the platform and you don't understand what works, I mean, you are driving yourself, or you're running in circles. And I've done it. I'm sure many of you have done it. Leave a comment down below if you have been in that situation or you are in that situation. But if we're selling a product or a service, or we have a business, there are people still spending money. I know there's so much negative news about the economy, about AI taking over jobs. The job market is hard. If you're an entrepreneur really trying to progress, trying to grow your business, trying to reach a certain metric, I would advise you to stop watching the news. Like, watch what's necessary, but then turn it off and do the main thing. Do the income generating activity that is actually going to make you money. So my daughter, she has to get the reviews. She's had sales. We have such a supportive village in terms of our family, who have purchased her word searches, purchased her books, and now she has to do the hard thing, because she's an introvert like me, and text family members and text friends who've made the purchase and ask them, hey, can you leave a review? And while that is so simple, we overcomplicate it. We make it hard, and we try to go around it and do the things that aren't really going to move the needle forward. So I just want to encourage you this evening, do something that's going to actually move the needle forward. Stop with the busy work. You're an adult, or you're a young adult. Stop with the busy work. You don't have a substitute teacher. Like, our lives, our businesses are really what we make them. And I hope that was encouraging. If you want to connect with me, the best way to do that is by joining my email list. That is the only way right now, is to join my email list. And if you are on my email list, you will get updates with opportunities to connect further. Thanks for watching.